some more breaking updates coming in. Going back to Kerala now, viewers. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has finally tweeted and reacted on the elephant's killing. He has tweeted, and I quote, "A tragic incident in the Palakkad district. A pregnant elephant has lost its life. Many of you who have reached out to us, we want to assure you that your concerns will not go in vain. Justice will prevail." This is the latest statement coming in from the Chief Minister himself, finally reacting to the incident. Let's go back to my colleague Pooja Prasanna, who's also joining us at this point. Pooja, so finally the Chief Minister coming out and speaking on the incident. Please take us through the details.
Well, a week after the death of a 15-year-old pregnant elephant in Palakkad, the Chief Minister has broken his silence and come out and said that many people have reached out to the government showing their concern over the death, rather the murder of the pregnant elephant, and justice will be prevailed. This is will prevail is the message that the Chief Minister has given through his Twitter handle. This even as we have accessed the preliminary report, which goes on to confirm that although the original cause of death was drowning, which is seen by the presence of water in the lungs of the elephant, it also does confirm that it had sustained multiple injuries, particularly to its lower jaw, which was caused by the firecracker in the pineapple that it did consume. So now the question is, will those who did plant that pineapple be brought to justice? Because we understand that there is an SIT that has been formed, which is currently interrogating several suspects.
Absolutely, Pooja. But the point here being that Pinarayi Vijayan finally reacting to the matter after almost 2 days of our public outrage that we have been witnessing. Are we expecting any kind of further reaction coming in, as well as now that the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi himself not reacting to it, now that Chief Minister has come out and spoken about it, are we expecting more action towards the perpetrators on this now?
Oh, yes, there has been, of course, nationwide outrage. And, Rahul Gandhi, who is also MP from Kerala, from Wayanad, has also come out and demanded justice and demanded that those who have the perpetrators of this crime should be brought to justice. But, yes, we are expecting action to pick up, because many people, not just, prominent personalities, but even citizens of Kerala have been reaching out to the government, seeking answers as to what really happened and how could this be allowed. Such a level of brutality is something that has captured everyone's attention and anger as well. So we're expecting, action to be very fast-paced now. Although now it has been over a week since this incident took place, we are expecting, since yesterday we have seen a slew of action and statements coming in. And the Forest Department has also submitted its preliminary report.
In fact, Pooja, even as we speak right now, sorry to interrupt, there are further statement coming in from the Chief Minister himself through his tweets now, stating, and I quote, "Having said that, he's saddened by the fact that some have used this tragedy to unleash a hate campaign. Lies were built upon inaccurate descriptions, and half-truths were employed to obliterate the truth as well. Some even tried to import biography into the narrative, and wrong priorities were put in place. Kerala, as a society that respects the outrage against injustice, if there is any silver lining in this, it should be that we know now that we can make our voices heard against injustice." So he clearly is mentioning the fact that he's saddened by the hate campaign that we have witnessed on social media platforms and other places, in a way, a national outrage over this incident.
Oh, yes, but the attention should not be taken away from the incident itself, a hate campaign or otherwise. It has to be stated on record that it took nationwide outrage for the government to wake up from its slumber, because there was absolutely no statement either from the Chief Minister or the Forest Department till we saw this campaign pick up and prominent people from across the country speaking up about this issue. But that said, the government in itself cannot completely wash its hands off, because even the Forest Department officials have confirmed off the record as of now that this is a very common practice in parts of Kerala, where be it to hunt or keep away wild boars from their crop, particularly, cash crops. They do every now and then employ the use of explosives, which is clearly banned and in itself a crime. And it is an illegal way of hunting wild boar. And this is something that the officials and the government has been looking the other way for. So all this will now come under the scope of investigation, and those who have been continuing with this practice too will have to be brought to book.
All right. So the first reaction coming in from the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, finally tweeting out on the elephants killing incident. He has stated that it is a tragic incident in Palakkad district, a pregnant elephant losing her life. He has also stated that he has noticed many of the people reaching out to him as well, and he has assured that all their concerns will not go in vain.